John McEnroe said that he believes that Yannick Sinner and Carlos Alcaraz, as they are currently playing, would basically school Rafael Nadal in his prime on a clay court.
Like, you would make a serious argument with both guys that they would be favored to beat Nadal.
I don't think you can compare. We'll never know is the answer to that question, but that's just a soundbite to get reaction. Don't buy it. Not interested in it.
I think it's typical. It sounds great, but the dude was, and by the dude I mean Rafa, I think you quickly forget how good he was. He dominated some of the best guys in the world. One of the things I brought up yesterday in our chat group was that a guy like Novak didn't have much of a chance against Rafa and Rafa's peak on clay when Novak was peaking himself, and he's still kind of competing with these guys. I mean, he's still very good, Novak, but I obviously think that he was much better when he was fresh physically. I think it's a little bit of lack of respect as well for Rafa in some ways.